I'm Ankita. I'm student of PGDM at IBMR College. I'm from batch 2021 to 23. I'm here to share my journey. Best way my college has impacted my life is through their placement opportunities. Thanks to the guidance and support.
In today's world, the most important thing is confidence, and that is what IBMR has provided me, along with other skills such as leadership, public speaking, people management, and many more. IBMR has groomed us in various ways by taking different activities such as group discussions, personal interviews, and presentations.
IBMR offers you a diverse range of subjects and programs to pursue. They have a good college campus placement and provide good social life as well. I got placement over here in one of the staffing companies.
With the help of our placement head, Push Atrish sir, I got the opportunity to sit in the placements and got selected in 2 MNCs, one Cargo Flash Infotech Private Limited and Frost & Sullivan, an American business consulting firm. So happily I am joining Frost & Sullivan as an associate growth.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sagar Rawat. I was a student of IBMR College 2022 batch MBA, and I'm very thankful for IBMR to give me a good placement and good social life, and I got a lot of friends.
IBMR is one of the best business schools that I came across, and my journey in IBMR was really incredible. It helped me throughout all of the practicals, like how to deal with the corporate sector, how to give the interview and how to behave in an interview and how to behave as a professional person for the corporate world. Thank you IBMR for providing me such a great knowledge and such a great skills through which I can crack any of the interviews right now. With the help of the IBMR, I got an opportunity to work in a Vedantu as an academic counselor. Thank you IBMR for making the person that I am today. Thank you so much.